you're a homeowner in Pearland, Texas, here's some signs you have foundation problems. Hi, I'm Derek with Deep Rock Foundations, and today we're going to talk about a few things that cause foundation problems, some common signs that you should look for, and how to solve them. In Pearland, it's common to live in a neighborhood with trees in the front yard. They're going to drink a lot of moisture out of the soil, and that moisture is going to cause your foundation to settle. Another major thing to look for is drainage. So if you live in an older home in Pearland, you might notice that your drainage has become problematic. Something has happened to where water sits next to your house. That's a major issue. Pearland soil is very soft and full of clay. We often call it gumbo. And when it rains, it's gonna swell up a lot, but then in July, August, September, when things are drier, it's end of summer, your clay soil is gonna shrink, causing your foundation to move. During years of drought, like in 2022 or 2023, you're gonna see major movement in your foundation over time where your foundation's settling as the soil dries out. Once the soil dries out, it begins to separate from your foundation, and your foundation actually might even be sitting in air on a section of your foundation, and they begin to settle over time to touch the soil again. Some of the things that you might notice is visual signs like broken tile, sheetrock damage, a door that's sticking, or maybe expansion joint in your brick opening up or a large brick crack. You might notice a crack running through your garage floor. When you start to see these kind of visual signs, it's important to act early as possible so that you can have the least amount of repairs needed to stop the downward progression of your foundation. So if you're seeing any of these visual signs, give Deep Rock Foundations a call. We'll send out an expert consultant to give you a free consultation to tell you the details and specifics about your foundation's health. Deep Rock Foundations has served many homeowners in the Pearland area, and we have a proven track record of great customer service. We offer transparent pricing and free evaluations. So if you want to work with a local company that knows your area, call Deep Rock Foundations.